So this is the first lesson plan, and it's the elementary school lesson plan. And I like this one the most because it's the most diverse. It starts off with a 5-minute introduction where the teacher draws the diagram and asks the students what the parts of the plant are and labels them from what they say. Then it goes into explicit instruction and teacher modeling, which is basically the core lecture part of the lesson plan. After this, they go into the interactive/guided practice, where the teacher, whoever she is, passes out worksheets and stuff like that, and the students work on the papers with the help of their classmates and their teachers. That's the main helpful instruction part of the lesson plan. And then you get 20 minutes of independent learning, and that's them doing it by themselves. If they need questions, they ask the teacher, but that's mostly like quiet time. And then we have the review part of the lesson plan, which I really like because the students get to present what they did in class and make sure they know what the parts of the plan are, and it helps them share what they learned to their class. So maybe if somebody didn't learn part of it, maybe that can help another student. Now this is the middle school lesson plan, and it's mostly like a lecture with a lecture and some independent / interactive learning. So first the teacher will give the notes, and then she hands out Punnett squares so that the students can practice with the help of their classmates. It's not my favorite, but it's better than the high school one. The high school, though, is mostly lecture. She gives notes, she introduces it using videos and notes, whatever she needs. The students get their criteria and their notes. Then in the middle of the lesson, they do a small exercise. Then they continue working on it, and that's all. It's not my favorite because it's not as interactive.